We're going to be going over everything it takes in the reality of being a full-time trader slash entrepreneur.
Bro, I spent $150. I did not think I was going to spend that much, but I did get a...
As the years have gone on, I realized it's way deeper than just day trading. It's way deeper than just trying to make money just from one skill set. You can make money doing a whole lot of things. And you're way more likely to become a millionaire by making $250,000 a year doing 4 things.
In reality, people make it think you need $10,000, $20,000 a month to be a good trader. You need to make $5,000 days. No. In reality, I want you guys also put this in perspective.
Good morning, everybody, and welcome back to another video. And today, it is Sunday. It is early right now. It's only 9:45 in the morning. It's 9:45 in the morning on Sunday, and I'm tired as shit. I'm very tired. I've been running around all yesterday, and it's gonna be the same exact thing today. But before we do all of that, before we get into me trying to get ready to move into my new penthouse tomorrow, we have to do the VIP session. We're gonna be going over everything it takes in the reality of being a full-time trader slash entrepreneur. I'm gonna talk about everything from, I have it all in my notes right over here. So this is like the main guidelines that I'm gonna go off of. Just like there, got main topics and everything, and then from there, I'm gonna just give them the value from my experience, giving them the value of things that I've learned. That's the main part of VIP, giving you guys experience that I've gone through so that you don't have to go through it and so that you could be better prepared for when it happens to you. That's all it's about. We're about being a team and a community to help us get to the next level. So without all the yapping, I'll show you little clips, but as always, if you want the full access, you want the full game, you gotta join VIP. So let's get to it.
You need to make sure that you have discipline. You want to make sure that you have consistency. You want to make sure that you are persistent. Why? Because no matter where you are in your journey, you got to understand that hard times aren't going to stop. It's only going to get harder. You're only going to get hit with more adversity. You're only going to get hit with shit that's going to make you want to give up. Most people, they think it gets easier. It may get simpler. It may feel easier sometimes, but overall it's not easier. The more money you make, the more problems you're gonna have. The more problems you're gonna have, the more money you're making, the more relationships and business you're gonna have. The more relationships, the more people you need to talk to. The more people you need to talk to, there's just a whole lot of different things that go to it. It's very rare. The more successful you get, life becomes easier. I started going against my rules, and then I'm back in the same position like, damn, I wasn't ready. I did the same thing. And then you do it again, boom. But you start realizing all these things that are the reason for why it's happening. You realize, I need to improve this because this is the reason I had to go back again. I gotta stop doing this because this is the same thing I've been doing for 3 years. You know what I mean? It just comes from learning yourself, being aware of yourself. Have that journal, make those videos. You don't even gotta post them, but have it recorded for yourself so you can actually go back and look at it. All these sessions that I have with you guys, I can rewatch them too. People don't realize that. They think that, oh, I'm just doing this for you. This is beneficial to me too. In reality, people make it think you need $10,000, $20,000 a month to be a good trader. You need to make $5,000 days. No. In reality, I want you guys also to put this in perspective. After showing that I made $9,000 in a week, after showing I had multiple days where I made $2,000, at the end of the month, you would only make $7,000. Because that's the reality of having wins and losses. You can make $10,000 next week. But guess what? What if the week after that you lose $5,000? You're really only at $5,000. Time is something that's going to be very important. We're going to talk about that next. But you want to be able to have as much money coming in because, like I said, trading isn't going to be something where you make the same amount this week, next week, then the week after that. No. If somebody asks you how much money are you going to make next week trading, you can't answer that, can you? I can tell them how much I might lose, but I can't tell them how much I'll win next week, how much I'll make, because it's not something that's consistent. It's not a salary. It's not the same exact every single time. You only get your consistency from you doing it. Let's say you made $2,000 this week and stopped. Okay, then let's say you made $2,000 next week and then you stopped. It's because you're in control of how much you're making. It's not that it's not out of your control. It's because you're in control. But money management is key. Now, all the money, let's say you're making, this is cool. But now guess what? All the money you're making, if you're a full-time entrepreneur, if you're a full-time day trader, you're working to live at this point. I don't know how much money you have saved. I don't know about none of that. Let's just say you have no money saved and you're working to live, which is a case of a lot of people. I don't care. I'd rather work to live doing what I love versus having money saved and working a comfortable job. I'm cool off that. I'd rather struggle and do what I do on a day-to-day basis doing something I love.
Great call nonetheless. Every call is a great call with VIP. A lot of people actually join. We had more people join the call than I actually figured. It was probably maybe like 20 something people that actually joined. Thought less would have been here, but we're active nonetheless. I also forgot to tell you guys, since yesterday was a double upload, I didn't let you guys know just 2 different announcements. So the program that I have been working on, the content to cash program, I just ended up releasing it. So it's active right now. I just stopped procrastinating. I stopped trying to make it perfect and I just uploaded it. So as of right now, there's about 2.5 hours of just content. I'll teach you how to create content, how to turn it into cash, how to monetize it. That's all up right now. But it's not going to be something where it's just all of that. I'm going to continuously be adding every week, every month, new content over time because the game is always changing. I'm always learning something new and I'm always improving as a day trader. I'm always improving as a content creator, as an entrepreneur in general. So it's going to be one of those things that continuously keep getting added because guess what? The grind don't stop. The game's not going to change. The same things you need to hear over and over and over because it doesn't happen overnight. I can't just tell you it one time and you just change your life. You got to hear it multiple times. You got to get examples. You got to see me do it. You got to see me edit the videos, all of that. So if that's something you're interested in, if you want to learn how to monetize your skill set, even if you're not a trader, if you want to learn how to monetize any skill or anything that you know, check out the Content to Cash program. But we're about to get the rest of our day started. If you want to get access to VIP, like to get the call like you just did, join the link. I got to go get the rest of my day started, walk these dogs. And yeah, we got a lot of shit in the crib to do. The setup is next.
We getting that good sun, walking the dogs, getting that exercise, enjoying it, man. This is what it's all about. Wake up, give value, wake up, do something you're passionate about. I love teaching people what I do. I love changing my life so I can simply just teach other people to do the same exact thing. It's not where I thought I would be. I thought I would like be just a day trader, like life as a day trader, but as the years have gone on, I realized it's way deeper than just day trading. It's way deeper than just trying to make money just from one skill set. You can make money doing a whole lot of things. You're way more likely to become a millionaire by making $250,000 a year doing 4 things compared to trying to get to $1 million a year doing one thing. It's going to take significantly longer. And people don't realize that time is money. If you can make that much money in a couple different areas, you're going to be able to buy your time back to be able to focus on these other things. That's going to get to $1 million a year way faster.
All right, I just dropped my girlfriend off to get her nails done. She's about to get her nails done. While she's getting her nails done, I got to head back to Target. Another Target run, like the 4th one in the last 2 days. I got to get boxes, I got to get dog food, and I got to get a couple more things just to make sure that our packing process, our moving process is way easier because now, once she gets done, once I get done, I'm going to head to the gym. And then once I'm done the gym, ideally, she's going to get done her nails. I'm going to come get her. Then we got to continue getting all the stuff ready to move. I'm not really doing much when it comes to the working today besides trying to get moved so I'm able to work Monday through Friday because it's the weekend today and there's nothing really to do besides content. I got the VIP call done. I gave you guys some value. The calls, probably I'm going to give you guys a couple minutes again just to make this vlog a little bit longer just because I'm moving around and shit. But nonetheless, we're going to have a great day. We're going to have a productive day. I'm ready to get to it. But right now, I got to get in this traffic to get to Target. And then once I get to Target, you already know I got the glasses. We're going to get the POVs. So I'll see you soon.
Alright, I got to find storage stuff so I can put stuff in. I already have 2 clear. No, I don't want clear. These might be good. These are only $7. I might just get like maybe 3 of these Jones. I say 3. Ooh, these Jones. Get 3 of these. Let me look for some boxes. I need lids. Come on, shake. Look at that beautiful car. Let's see. French vanilla. Where's French vanilla? Good little starter. Penthouse vibes.
All right, the Target run is complete, bro. I spent $150. I did not think I was gonna spend that much, but I did get a coffee maker. The one thing I've been telling myself I'm gonna get, and I said if it's on sale, when the time comes, I'm gonna get it, and it was on sale. It wasn't on sale yesterday, and it was on sale today, but I got a Keurig. I'm gonna start drinking a little morning coffee, a little something that I've been trying to, it'll be good so I don't gotta go to Dunkin' Donuts and get coffee all the time. I got my French vanilla, I got the Keurig there. I'm gonna have it at home. I also got a couple crates. I got dog food, and I got, what else did I got? I got dog food. I was looking for knives to see if they had any good knives. They didn't have any good knives. But yeah, besides that, and yeah, that was it. So for the most part, now I'm about to go to Wawa real quick. Gotta go put air in my tire. I'm about to get something for Wawa to drink, and then yeah, on to the next.
And now to fill up these damn tires, I'm about to put up all of them just to make sure they all match up. It's all loud. God damn. But yeah, after this, I'm gonna get myself a little protein shake, and then I'm off to the races once again. Beautiful sun, sunny. Got a haircut. Car semi clean. About to have full tires too. Good day, my bro. Look at the car. What a great day.
I lied to you not. The second I got to the crib, my girlfriend called me and said she was done. Ain't that some shit? It's like COD time. Y'all know COD time? Like when you're camping in, like say you're camping in a corner, you're camping at a window in Call of Duty or prone or something. You camp there for like 20 minutes, staring down your scope. The second you reload, the second you look away, somebody rushes you and kills you. It's the same thing. The second I got home, she called me and said that she got done. I was like, damn. I just drove all the way back for nothing. But nonetheless, that means the gym is probably going to be pushed back a little bit because I do got to get a couple more things now that I think about it. Yeah, the gym might be a later on type of thing. I might just end up having a workout, doing all the shit that I got to do. But we got to clean up the crib. We got to do all that stuff. It's going to be a fun day so far. Fun day. A whole lot of driving, a whole lot of running around. But this is shit we do it for. I'm
gonna put myself inside of a specific, like, oh, I'm only going to teach people how to make money. I want to teach you how to become the best version that you can.
Oh, it's time to get some food. Hungry as shit. My own waiter. Yeah, can never work a job like this, bro. It ain't built for me. Shit, I'm about to try to put all the stuff from the desk inside, because now it's all time to get this all packed away. I need all the light I can get. Put this room as bright as possible. It all begins the final day. This whole room is dirty right now, but I'll clean it all when it's empty. It's time to get all this stuff packed away. Here's before and after. Behind the scenes of all this is horror. Oh my god. It's gonna be fun. Here's the before. Let me get a picture. Like, I'm about to move this. For everybody that was wondering how I have them stood up, this was stood up by nothing but gravity itself. This was stood up with gravity. And that's about it. Look, this is it. That was what it was just right there. And this is what behind the scenes is. For all the people that I was trying to show it to, that I was like, this shit ghetto. Look at this. There's a fucking roachy back here. Well, look, this is part of the table that we have in the bedroom.
Not the tray.
This is a tray, and that's on top of it, because I needed it to be tall enough that they weren't blocking each other. Yeah, the room's coming along nicely. Right now, cleaning the whole room up for the most part. Everything in here is, look at this lighting, bro. The lighting is ass. I'm excited to leave. But at the same time, it's an end of an era. I'm gonna try to find somewhere with some okay lighting, like right here. But it's the end of an era. Did a lot in this crib, a lot of content created. A lot of you guys know of me because of this crib, and the echo in here is crazy right now. Like this right here, these are sound panels. This is what I'm gonna be using in the next room. It's gonna be tough. But for the most part, today's just been a day where I've just been trying to get everything done with the apartment, trying to clean everything up in here, and we still got a whole lot to do. Fortunately, I'm not leaving the apartment. Like, I don't have to immediately vacate. I still got like 30 days, so I still got time to get majority of the stuff over, but we have most of the important stuff already packed, just getting ready for tomorrow. It's a lot of work, very tired. I didn't even get to go to the gym because of how much I've been moving around, but this is a whole workout as is. Like, taking apart that desk over there, that shit was a hassle, I ain't gonna lie. And especially in the morning when I have to move all of this, it's gonna be a whole nother workout. But yeah, tomorrow's gonna be a very interesting vlog. Tomorrow's gonna be a very, this is going to be sporadic. Nonetheless, it's going to be a great vlog. Today may have not been that eventful just because I've been running around, but nonetheless, it was very valuable. I gave you guys game, and I showed you the reality of being an entrepreneur. Not every day is going to be glamorous. Not every day is going to be sunshine. Some days, just got to get the work done. Fortunately enough, I show up every day to show you the process. So if you want to learn how to trade, make sure you check out the free trading course, the free trading webinars, completely free. It'll teach you everything about trading for free. If you guys don't know, I've released a program, so if you're looking to actually create content, monetize yourself, your skills, your trading, and create content behind it and be able to make money, get the Content to Cash program. Trust me, you won't be disappointed. Stay safe, stay productive, and I'll see you guys in tomorrow's video. We will be live trading in the morning, so let's see if we can make some money. We got bills to pay.